guys, my sensitive tooth has been going crazy lately. Let's go and get something to eat. I am gonna be making a blueberry pancake. I was craving that when I woke up this morning, so I decided to make a blueberry pancakes. And I'm not really a big fan of pancakes. No, I'm not a big fan of blueberries, but the idea of blueberries and pancake just sounds so good right now that I want to try it. So I'm just gonna make like a small amount of it and just see if I'm gonna like it before I make more. But anyways, I got my stuff over here. So I pretty much have a bowl and I have butter. And I have the blueberry here. I have the flour. I'm also gonna go and get egg, oil, and sugar, salt. Yeah. It's a bit. It's basically the middle of the day. I am going to wash my hair because since I took it out last week, I think, I haven't washed it out. Whenever I have my natural hair out, I wash it once a week, and I most of the time wash it on Friday. I am going to wash it today, and yeah, today isn't really productive, and this is like really normal. My breakfast tasted really good actually, but anyways, I am going to wash my hair. It's a little detangled, but I thought my sister would finish all this product, but she didn't, which is good. So this is what I'm using. I'm using the coconut milk shampoo. I don't even know if this is good for my hair. I just use it because it smells good. I think for this summer, one of my goals is to have a good hair care, if that makes sense. I want to have a hair care because I want to grow my hair. I know my hair is saying that sounds so bad. It's like you have a lot of hair, what do you want to grow it for? But I feel like my hair, the length of it has stayed the same for a while, so I want to like grow my hair more, or like I want my hair to be in its healthy state. I'm using this to wash my hair. And yeah, I have a low porosity hair. I think I need to buy a product that is like that, but I don't even know if this product is like for low porosity hair. But I saw this girl on TikTok who have a low porosity hair, and I'm gonna start like, you know, following her and seeing all her tricks because she was able to grow her hair longer, and I want to do the same thing. Anyways, I am going to hop in the shower, wash my hair, wash myself, try and save the rest of the day, even though it's literally almost ended, but I have to do some work, so let's see what we can do. I am out of the shower. My hair is literally like have water in them, but this is me after what's it called, after washing my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna do some work right now, but my desk is looking a little crazy, so I'm gonna get it a little clean, then I'll do some work. But for my hair, I'm gonna leave it like this for a while. When I'm getting ready to sleep, I'll apply some oil and some hair lotion. I'm hoping that my hair stays like this so I can take it to church tomorrow, but I don't even know if it's going to be like this. But I think this, I like it small like that. Anyways, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up my desk and do some work. Okay, so this is my desk stage right now. Oh my gosh, it looks it looks so bad. Can you put this in the trash? Just wanted to see my clothes. I just said it. I'm gonna show you guys a clip that I saw and I'm like, what? Like the thing just looks so wrong. Okay, right here, she's gonna be texting soon. But this is the main character. She's texting. Do you see that? Okay, so she's texting and look, it just sends. Now that makes no sense whatsoever. How can you type like a text and not send it, but then it sent? Like it didn't even look like she pressed like the little send button, but it sent. And it kind of reminds me of like a behind the scene Korean movie that I watched. I forgot what movie that is, but you know how with Korean movies you can literally see them texting each other, calling each other, like those kind of things. It was actually a green screen on the phone, and I was so surprised when I saw it. I was like, wow. I believe that they were like legit texting each other and like they were legit like on the phone with each other, but it was a green screen. But this one looks even too noticeable. Like she literally texted and didn't even press send, but then it sent herself. How is that even possible? What command do you have on your phone where you can just type the text and not press send, but it sent itself? What? Yeah, anyways, let's watch something that is actually good, okay? Okay.
Yeah. You two know each other?
Yeah, we met.
Barely. Wow, that's so random. I'm gonna go grab a drink.
Door's that way if you're looking to sneak out.
So
I know that's your
pretty.
thing.
Well, I am a disaster. Let's go away from this. Yeah.